Hello friends, today I'm gonna show you how to make bootable pen drive by using command prompt. There is no need of any third-party software to make the pen drive bootable. I will show you this on Windows 8. So first of all, we have to just press Window key with F. It will show you the search option. Then write the CMD it on it, and here's a command prompt. Then click right on it, and there's a run it as an administrator, and click it yes. Now before this, make sure that you have just inserted the pen drive. So here's the we have inserted the pen drive. It's a removable disk I. Now the first command is disk part. Now it is opening disk part of the CMD. Now first of all, we have to just list the disks. So command is list disk. Now here the disk, when there's two disks, disk 0 and disk 1. Never gonna select the disk 0, because if you select disk 0, it is our hard disk 465 GB. If you select this disk 0, then it gonna format your hard disk, which may lose your data, and then you may lose your data. And always select the disk 1, it is your pen drive. So to select the disk 1, we have to just write the command select disk 1. Now the disk is selected. Now we have to next step, we have to just clean the disk. So by command clean. Then the next step is create the partition, primary partition, and now we have to just select the partition. So by select partition 1. Now we have to make this partition active by using the command active. So current partition is active. Now we have to next we have to format the pen drive in the file system NTFS. So to make format, write format. Also write here quick. It will only take half a minute if you write quick here. If you don't write quick here, then it will take much more time. Your NTFS, then fs is equal to NTFS, and see, it will take only 30 seconds, around 30 seconds. Now the C disk part successfully formatted the volume. Now we have to just assign a disk letter to the pen drive. So after assigning it, the disk letter is now H. So now exit the disk part. Now open the here window 8. I have to make the window 8 bootable, so mount it. See, here's this. Now see, you have this. If you don't have this boot folder and the boot set in this folder, then you can't make this pen drive bootable. So we have to just open the H drive. No, it is in I drive. So first of all I, and then cd boot, then it is boot sect .exe/nt60. Now we have to just type the next our pen drive letter. So it is H. So H colon here is boot code was successfully updated in the target mission. So now we have to just exit it. Now copy all the content of this to the drive, and it will make your pen drive bootable. So thank you for watching. Here's Vishal.